Today is Sunday, June 26, 2022. It is day 342 of web development. And today, I'm actually going to be implementing my Khan Academy code into a website I'm going to make today. Because by earlier, I mean literally 5 minutes ago, I was doing data science, right? And I'm on Khan Academy and everything. And I'm like, oh, I want to share this. I want to get the link. Or I wanted to see if I can embed it in my Google Colab. And I was like, is there any way? And I was like, oh no, I have to do it on a website. And I was like, but wait, I can do this on a website. So that's what I'm going to do today. And hopefully it works. If it doesn't, we'll see. Whatever. But yeah, so let me start here. Go to code pen. What day is it? 342. Day 342. So I'll just do a simple card. So I'll start with telling the computer, okay, I'm writing in HTML5, and then putting in my HTML tags, and then putting in my head tags, and which I rarely use unless I'm doing fonts, and then my body tags. And then in the body, I'm gonna have a container. I'm gonna label it using a class, and then over here on CSS, I'm gonna do dot container because that's the name of my class, right? So dots for classes and then IDs for hashtags. And then I'll give it a property called border, and I'll give the border 5 pixels black solid for now, and a height of 100 vertical height of the screen for now. And then inside the container, I'm gonna do, hold on, let me see. I'll select this link, right? And then I'll go here and paste that in there. This thing better show up. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. No way. That is so beautiful. Alright, so, oh my god, that's literally so beautiful. Okay, so the container, I wanted to have a width of min content, so I wanted to reach out until the content ends, so good. And then the height, I need everything in the container to be in the middle, so I'll do display, and I'll do display flex, right? And then I'll do justify, and then I'll do justify content center, and that's gonna center my content in the center but horizontally. And then align items center is going to center my content vertically. There we go. Only thing is, what happened was it made my two elements to be next to each other, because by default when you do display flex, the flex direction, so the direction of all your content is going to be row. But I can change this by doing flex direction, and then set it to column, so that now the content is on top of each other. So that's great. So let me save this and then open it up, and then let me see what it looks like. Yuck. Alright, so now I want the container itself to be in the middle. So I'll go to the body, right? Which is everything. The body. I'll give it a display of flex also. And I'll do justify content center, so it can align my, so it could center my items horizontally, and then align item center to center everything vertically. So that works. And then I'll give the container probably a width of 600 pixels and a height of 600 pixels. That's literally horrible. A width of 1,000 pixels and then a height of 600 pixels. Why does it keep doing that? It's actually not even changing. Oh, because it's not the container, it's the, oh no, it is a container. I don't even know. Anyway, I'm gonna use these colors. So I'm gonna do red here. So where's my stuff? Okay, so I'm gonna go to the body and give it a background of that hex code, and then Yuck, it looks so ugly. And then I'll do, is there any way that I could just, this link. So it's an H2, and then in the H2 there's a link. So I'll do any links. I need them to be white. Thank you very much, so I could actually see them. And any text also. Any P stuff, white. There we go. All right, and then let's see. Oh, it's because I set the width of the container to be min content. That's why. So if I want this to actually happen, I need it to be after that, so it overwrites. There we go. Control S and then reload. There we go. Perfect. And then I wanted the container to have something like this. Background. Something like that. And then obviously give it a border radius of 20 pixels so that the border is round. So it looks nice and pretty. And then for some reason it's not in the center. Like, what's going on right now? Like, you need to be in the center, please and thank you. How about I just give it a margin of 50 pixels? There we go. And then that basically gives it a margin, like space around it, of 50 pixels on all sides. And then I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I could give the... Where's the stuff? Oh, this is a script. Is there any way that I can give a script a border? Let's see. No. Alright then. It's okay. Is there anything else? No, but that's it. Would you look at that? Me combining data science and web development. Let me drink some water. Okay. I don't know if I want to leave the border. Where is my code? Jesus, what's wrong with me? Okay, get rid of, let me see what it looks like without the border. Do I like it? Do I not like it? I don't know. I think I like it with the border for once. I never leave the borders, but I think I like it with this one. And then I think what I'm gonna do is that when I hover over the container, so when the container is in a state of hover, I need to have position relative to its previous position, and then to move from the top 2 pixels. So from the top, move -2 pixels, which is the same thing as saying from the bottom, move 2 pixels. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I think that's it. Let me actually, if I change the name here, right? Save, it should change here. Hello, save. Oh no, I meant save. No way, do I have to reload again? Oh yeah, I do, because it's not as if the script is what's changing here. So I'll have to take the... There's an SQL script? Wait, oh, I'm so dumb. I'm literally so dumb. That's what I'm doing. I'm so stupid. So I stop. Don't call yourself stupid. We cannot be self-degrading here. Wait, I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I was gonna share. Okay. Take this. Go back up here. Go over here. And just change everything. And then it should pop up. Maybe so, maybe not. Hello? What? What did I do now? Did I not copy the whole thing? Oh, I didn't. Whoops. Alright, go here, paste that in there, save, reload. Okay, that looks really nice. Alright, and that's it for today. Bye.